Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing another horror movie quiz. If you guys remember last time I did the Child's Play horror movie quiz, and I found a few other ones on the website that I went to last time that I thought would be super cool to do on my channel, and it's horror movies that I absolutely love. So we're going to see how much I remember, and we're also going to see how good I am at these little quizzes. So the one we are going to be doing today, as you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, is we are going to be doing a horror movie quiz on none other than The Ring. If you guys have never seen The Ring, you are missing out on a scary, freaky movie. I saw that movie for the first time the year it came out, and it literally scared the crap out of me. Like, Samara was literally like my biggest fear when I was younger, so I'm really excited to be doing this quiz for you today. I'm not sure how many questions are on this one. I'm just going to be kind of reading them off on my phone and answering them accordingly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on the very first question. So the very first question is, in the scene where Aiden's father is in the grocery store with the Chinese woman serving him, how many cigarettes does he buy? The answers are 10, 40, he doesn't buy cigarettes, or 20. Oh my gosh, I don't remember. I remember the Chinese woman saying that her cousin or something was 2 packs a day, but I think he only buys 1. I'm just going to go with 20, because that's 20 cigarettes come in 1 pack of cigarettes, and I think he only gets 1 pack. Question number 2 is, what color of dress did Aiden say was a little wrinkled? And that was Rachel's dress, and the answers for that one are blue, black, green, white, and yellow. And the answer to that one is black, because they were on their way to Katie's funeral. Question number 3 is, at Shelter Mountain Inn, when Rachel finds the first tape, what does it have written on it? The answers are, do not watch this, 7 days, the price, or nothing. And the tape she's talking about is Samara's tape, and it has nothing written on it. It's just a plain black VHS tape. Yeah, that's how old this movie is. Like, it's literally a VHS tape. Like, just let that sink in. Question number 4 is, what is the name of Aiden's cousin's friend who ended up in the mental hospital? Is it Rachel, Becca, Katie, or Ruth? And the answer to that one is Becca. Question number 5 is, in the scene at Shelter Mountain Inn when they found the well, what knocks Rachel down? Is it a chair, Samara, the TV, or the sofa? So they're talking about what makes Rachel fall down into the well in that movie, and I'm pretty sure it was the TV, because the TV was going in the background and the floor like collapsed and the TV fell, and I'm pretty sure the TV knocked her into the well, so that's what I'm going to choose. Question number 6 is, what is the name of Samara's stepmom? Was it Rachel Keller, Samara Morgan, or Anna Morgan? Well, it's not Rachel, because Rachel is the blonde. Samara obviously is Samara, so the answer is Anna Morgan. In the scene at Shelter Mountain Inn where Rachel is about to put the tape in her bag, what does she say when she nearly gets caught? Is it sorry, that's it, I'll put it back, how much is it? The answer to this one is that's it, because before the motel clerk was playing cards with her, and he's doing like a magic trick or whatever, and he like comes back around the corner after like cashing her out or whatever, and he goes, this was your card, right? And she looks at him and says, that's it. So yeah, that's the answer. That's it. Question number 8 is, what made the tree look as if it was on fire? Her vision, the sun, the shape of the tree. I'm pretty sure it was the sun, and it also is kind of a scene in the tape. So I'm just going to go with the sun for now, and hopefully that's right. I'm not sure. Question number 9 is, in what room does Katie die? Is it in the living room, in the kitchen, or in her bedroom? And it is in her bedroom. That scene is at the very beginning of the movie. Okay, and there's only 10 questions to this quiz, and question number 10 is, in what country did the original ring come from? Was it Japan, France, Sweden, or China? And it is from a Japan original. That's where it originally started. And okay guys, so I'm pretty sure I answered all of them pretty correctly, and I'm just going to go down in this little corner and hit score me, and we're gonna see how I did on this quiz. Yes! Oh my gosh. So it says right here, right in this little spot, it says you have 10 from 10 questions correct. You are a true Ring fan. Oh my gosh, so according to this, it looks like I got all of the questions correct. So he did only buy 1 pack of cigarettes, he did not buy 2, and the sun did make it look like it was on fire. So that is super, super cool. So make sure you guys let me know down in the comments how you did on this quiz. Did you get 10 out of 10 correct? Did you get 1 wrong, 2 wrong? Let me know, or let me know if you've never even seen the Ring movies. If you haven't, like I said, they are super, super good and I highly recommend watching them. Okay guys, that is everything that I have for this horror movie quiz for the Ring. I really, really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe and turn on your notifications. But as always, I will see you guys very, very soon in my next video. I love you guys. Bye!